Hello everyone, I'm just going to be going over the features in my senior design project. So as an overview, the intention for my project was to create an interface that allowed users to design an escape room as well as play through an escape room in VR. My intended platform is HTC Vive, but because I haven't been able to get all of my features migrated quite yet, I'm going to be doing my demo in the Unity simulator. So I begin here by just picking my puzzles on the side and dragging them into my escape room. For the demo, I'm going to do all 5 puzzles just to go over all the functionality. But if you choose, you can do less than 5. Okay, so we're going to play it. And it's loading, and here it is. So here's my room. Just give a quick 360 view. So see some interesting things. I'm going to start here with this light switch. See what happens. Oh, and that happens to be the trigger to reveal my blacklight puzzle. So you can see this message is pretty simple. It says hello. I'm going to click solve and then input that into my keypad. Oh, and we have a light lit up. That's new. So that's saying, yes, you've completed a puzzle. The colors are going to be relevant in a little bit. So here's another puzzle. This one is hidden in plain text. If you were to look at the puzzle for a little while, you would notice that it is an acrostic poem that actually says Edgar Allan Poe. So I happen to know that beforehand, so I'm going to put in that password, and then that puzzle is done. So if we check over in front of our door, we should see 2 lights. There they are. Next, I'm going to see if there's maybe something hidden in this cabinet, and there is. So I'm going to open it and then select the key. Oh, and that's all we need for this puzzle. Let's see. Oh, back it up a little bit. Just take a look at what we have on this wall. So here is my number from picture puzzle. You can tell by the clue on the bottom that the order is red, orange, yellow, green. And the idea for this puzzle is just to get the number from the picture, solve that puzzle, and get my 4th light. So I have one more puzzle. Seeing it over here, this is probably important. This is a cryptic quote, which is just taken out of a daily cryptic quote. You could do an easier one if you like, because this one happens to be pretty long. But because I know this password, I'm going to put it in. And just to skip by, since you know how the keypad works, I'm going to just input it directly into the input script here. Oh. Great. And I have all 5 lights. Means I solved all 5 puzzles. And if you don't remember, that exit sign wasn't there before, so that's new. See what that means. Okay, so that is going to be the final puzzle, which is solved based on the order you solved the previous puzzles in. So I have my little clue, the colors underneath, and I'm going to use that key to unscramble which light I'm using from left to right. So that's 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, and it's open, and that's it. So just going over some things I haven't quite mentioned yet. You could easily change any of these puzzles to have different images. So right there you see I have my image for my cryptogram, and then when you change your image to change your password, you just come into your attached keypad and then change your password. I tried to keep everything pretty straightforward to edit. And here similarly you could swap out the hidden object So that's all of my features. I hope you enjoyed. What do you see?
Okay, so I'm looking at a door
Mm-hmm.
with a rainbow above it.
Yes, it's a rainbow.
There's a cabinet right here.
Uh-huh.
The gummy bear wall? Question mark? Okay. And then there's a table, like right there in front of me.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's a switch, like for a light.
See anything new?
I mean, oh, the wall says hello now. And then it says solve underneath it. Oh my god, I found this is a table that has a note on it in handwriting that I can't really read, but it says solve underneath it.